What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today we're going to talk about a Nike SB Dunk that went crazy under the radar. Gardenas. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. I got another video coming up where I'm going to show y'all some Nike SBs dunks that been going under the radar, and I think it's because too many's coming out. Usually the dunk goes under the radar, but for SBs to be going under the radar is a little crazy. But today we're here to talk about the Gardenas. This is a mix of tradition from Shanghai meeting the skate culture in perfect sneaker, in my opinion, man. Quality A1, and the blossom flowers from Shanghai, it shows tremendously, man. Just look at the swoosh. Yeah, man, so we're going to get into an in-depth review of this. But if you haven't, you know what the YouTubers say, subscribe, like, all that stuff, man. Let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So like I told you, it's a Nike SB Quick Strike. So you're going to get the Lifesaver box. There's been a new box since SBs popped back on the scene. Maybe for the last 2 years. We had the purple before. We had the orange box. But this Quick Strike box is one of my favorites. So it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Game Royal Sail Gray Fog. When you flip open the lid, you get that nice, I've been calling this tree bark paper because that's what it looked like to me. But somebody in that skate culture, it might mean something else. But that's what you get, the Quick Strike Nike SB paper. And here's a 360 view of the Nike SB Dunk Gardenia. They also call on this fly streetwear. So I want to start right here with the swoosh, man. Nike is very, 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 they're very strict on people changing their swoosh around. We seen Travis Scott do it. We seen the Chunky Dunkies a little bit, but this is totally distortion of the Nike swoosh. It looks like different pieces of painter tape, but it's actually feathers in like a flower look. Look at the top. You even have a pin here. That's another Shanghai tradition. It's dope, man. It kind of looks like the shoelace tips when they give us a silver one. But look at that staple there, man. Super dope. Another nod to the flower look is this lime green patch right here. You know when you think of plants, green is the first color. The owner, Jeff Hahn, he used to skateboard through the gardens in Shanghai. That's why you get the word Gardena. But that's another hit of the flowers there. Then right here, boom, another Shanghai cultural icon. I really don't know what it means, but I see this a lot with Japan culture. I think what I look at it as a we call it dream catchers, but that looks a little more different and a little more particular to the Shanghai culture. Let's go to the toe box. White leather. I've seen better leather. It's not the premium leather, but it is soft. But I want to talk about is around the toes. This blue suede blue is super dope, and it's crazy because some blue suede dunk lows came out today, and that's what made me say, let me do the review for these Shanghai joints. But that blue abrased kind of look like the Travis Scott 6, the cactus joints. But this is made way better. It doesn't look sloppy, and it is super dope. It does have the brush back action to get lighter and darker. As you can see, and that material is all the way through the sneaker around. I know I talked to y'all about the swoosh, but inside the swoosh is like this nice metal gray that looks like it might reflect to light. So it's not usually the white you get in the sandwich. It's actually gray. And now that I'm looking, I was going to say the toe box is gray. The toe box is definitely white. but the inside is gray here, and it's also gray up here around the sock liner. To the back, you get the green plant, the gray, and then that beautiful blue again. As far as the tongue, it's also in that nice gray. Now I'm getting so confused. Is this white? No, the tongue is actually white. Has Nike SB at the top. Dunk Low Pro. Fat tongue, of course, because it's an SB. No like zipper or stuff we usually get with crazy SBs. Just a fat tongue here. The shoelaces that come equipped with, in my opinion, are way better than the Cactus Jack Dunk Low rope laces we get, because this doesn't look like it's going to shred at all. The Cactus Jack joints that I had, the laces was flimsy, looked like it could shred apart. This looks like real rope, and then they complement it with the lime green tips at the top, just like the back. The inside of the shoe does not have the feathery flower look as the side. They go your regular Nike swoosh, but it is like a thick quilt thread. It's not a regular Nike check. This sneaker's dope, guys. Let's get to the inside. They go that thing I call the dream catcher again. If you in the Shanghai community, if you know what this means, let me know. And then you have some Shanghai Japanese writing in the inside on a nice blue, the same blue as this. The right shoe here, as you look, the tongue has changed. This one says Fly Streetwear. Like I told you, is another name for this shoe. And that's what you have here on top of the gray big Nike SB tongue. And we have some new laces. Look how they wrapped it inside the rope laces that it comes equipped with. Super dope. And the white laces is just white Nike SB Dunk laces. White tips, but the thick Nike SB laces you usually get. And also the inside of this changed. Instead of having that this here, we just have regular Nike SB on the inside. The bottom also is gray, just like the inside that I showed y'all before. This is a dope sneaker, man. Yes, sir. So it's just a quick review on a street flywear Nike SB Dunk Gardenia. Right now, resale is at like $250 to $300 depending on price tag. The sneaker retail for I think $130 or $125, so it's a double up if you a sneaker reseller. But I thought this sneaker right here would be maybe in the $400 range, guys. Let me be so honest with y'all. I've been trying to get them Doritos. I could have got them at $300, then at $415. They are at $600 right now. And that's what I thought this sneaker would be at, somewhere in the $600 price range. You know, Shanghai culture, Nike SB culture, the quality of the sneaker in general. But right now you can score this for like under $300, and I think that's a steal, guys. Like I said, hit subscribe, hit like. I got a video coming up with a Nike SB that I think is so underrated. You won't want to miss that. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.